In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate Taobao from Chinese to English 2025 step by step. If you've just installed Taobao and everything is in Chinese, don't worry. In a couple of minutes, you'll switch the interface to English or to the international version that displays most menus in English while keeping key shopping features intact. Start by opening the Taobao mobile app and make sure you're logged into your account. Being signed in ensures the language setting saves to your profile and stays consistent across sessions. From the home screen, look to the bottom right corner and tap My Taobao. You'll see it labeled Wo De Taobao. That opens your profile area where all your personal settings live. Next, find the settings icon. On most versions, it looks like a small gear, and it's usually in the top right corner of the profile page. If you don't see a gear, tap the three dots menu in the same corner. The settings option will be inside. Inside settings, go to General Settings shown as Tongyang. This is the section that controls overall app behavior, including language. Now tap Language, labeled Yuyan. This page lets you change how the interface is displayed. You'll be given a choice such as English, sometimes shown as Yingwen, or international version, also called Guojiban or international mode. Pick the option you prefer. English focuses on translating menus and system messages. International version often bundles English menus with a layout tailored for global users while keeping some seller content as is. After selecting, fully close the Taobao app and reopen it so the change takes effect. On most phones, that means swiping the app away from your recent apps and launching it again. When it reloads, your menus, tabs, and settings pages should appear in English. A few helpful notes: not every product title or description will be perfectly translated because sellers write their own content. However, category names, buttons, checkout steps, and account pages should be much easier to navigate. If your interface doesn't change, double check that you selected the new language and that you actually restarted the app. Also be aware that labels and icons can shift slightly with updates, but the path remains the same. My Taobao settings, general, language, choose English or international, then restart. That's it. You've translated Taobao from Chinese to English and made the app far easier to browse and shop. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.